Hi guys, welcome on World Toys channel. Today I'm gonna show you the Kinetic Sand from Underworld series in green color. Inside you will find 454 grams of Kinetic Sand, Sandbox and 4 forms: a castle, a fish, turtle and a seahorse. The Kinetic Sand is really great. It looks like a normal sand, but it isn't. When we have normal sand, it's all over the place, and well, in the Kinetic Sand, even if it's very fragile, when we pour it somewhere, we can easily grab it and there's no mess. It's also not sticky, so my hands are clean. As you can see, we can have it in this form of very light sand, or we can build something like, for example, a ball. And as you can see, it looks like a real ball. But when we put it into the sandbox, it will start to disconnect. And look, we have our sand, which is very plastic. Again, we can make some sea animals like this cute turtle. We can see all the details. Fish and a seahorse. It looks awesome. You can always build a castle, and I'm sure that it will look like a real castle, not like a castle from a regular sand. It's very soft and I like to touching it. Okay, let's build a castle. As you can see, we can build a lot of things. On our channel you will also find a review of the same set but in purple color, so let me know which one you like best. And I think this is a great solution for every sand fan who is not living at the seaside. If you wanna see more videos with Kinetic Sand, go to our channel World Toys.